In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table in Trello in 2025. Whether you're managing a project, organizing tasks, or simply love a good list, Trello is a fantastic tool for keeping everything in order. Adding tables can provide a structured and clear view of your projects, and I'm here to guide you through each step. First, let's head over to your internet browser and navigate to Trello.com. Once there, you'll want to spot the login button situated usually at the top right corner of the page. Give that a click and you'll be presented with options for logging in. If you have a Trello account, you can use your email address and password. Alternatively, Trello offers the convenience of logging in with your Google account if that's more your style. After successfully logging in, you'll land on your Trello home screen. From here, we need to direct our attention to the section labeled Boards. It's your go-to place for all the boards you have created or have access to. Now, within the Your Workspaces section, you'll see all your active workspaces. Browse through and click on the board where you'd like to add a table. Remember, organizing your boards to match your workflow is key to maximizing productivity. Right, now that we have the desired board open, it's time to look up to the top of the screen where the board view button is located. You'll notice a drop-down menu next to this button. Click on it and here you can switch views. This is where the magic happens. From the drop-down list, select Table. Choosing this allows you to view your tasks and lists in a neat tabular format, giving you another layer of organization. After selecting the table view, let's adjust it further by heading over to the Workspace Views section. You'll want to double check you're in the correct section, which supports different ways to visualize your tasks. Within this section, remember to click on Table again. This ensures that your selection is active across the workspace, helping maintain consistency in how your data is displayed. Creating tables in Trello like this really helps in visualizing projects, tasks, and priorities at a glance. This feature is undoubtedly handy for those complex projects where you need a bit more structure than simple lists or cards can offer. If you have any questions or ideas for other great Trello functionalities you'd like to explore, feel free to drop them in the comments. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to create and view a table in Trello for 2025. I hope this guide helps enhance your productivity and streamlines your project management tasks. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Trello tips. Happy organizing.